Hello viewers, my name is Don VIP. In this video, I'll be showing us how to create a Google Mob account. Google AdMob account. Okay, I'm not going to talk much. I'm not going to talk about any other thing except creating the AdMob account. In my next video, I'll talk about how to earn, how to click, and every other thing about the application, how to create application. Though, okay, that is in the next video. Okay, I don't want this video to be more than 5 minutes. Okay, make sure before you create a Google Map account, make sure you have a new email address. Do not use your existing or any existing email address. Don't use your existing email address. Create a new email address for this purpose. Okay, maybe by time as time goes, I'll tell you, and I'll tell you why you don't need to create Google Map account with an existing email address. Okay, go to your Google Chrome browser if you're using a mobile phone. If you're using a system, you can use any browser of your choice. Okay, now I'm logging into Google Map account. Now the first thing I need to do is to sign in. Although I've already signed in already. I created a new account. Okay, I'm signing in now. Okay, once you sign in with your new uh, okay, before then let me go back so all learn how to actually you know create this account. At first you go to googlemob.com, google mob sorry admob rather admob.com. Once you open your admob.com, okay, this is the first page you see. Click on the get started button. After that you sign in. You see sign in. It's because I signed in already with this new email address. Though I didn't proceed, I didn't fill in. I didn't put in. I don't want you guys to see, where I had to put in my email address and password. Okay, for security purpose. So you select your country. Now here, make sure you choose. If you are using Nigeria as a country, make sure you use Nigeria, because at the end of all these old processes, before you earn or before you withdraw your money, Google is going to send you a PIN, understand, to verify your account, and that PIN will be sent to the address you stated down. You gave them. That is to say, if you use United States as your address, as your billing address, and all those things, they will send the PIN to the country address you gave them. You understand? And this one, they're not going to send it through email address. Somebody is going to come and deliver that pin. So if you're not in United States and maybe you're in Nigeria and you created a United States account, then that means you've lost the money, everything you've actually labored for. Except if you have somebody that can help you claim the pin over there, then send it to you. So you need to create a pin and make sure the location you are indicating, understand, you can actually go and get your pin. As it is, I'm going to use Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. I can easily get my pin. So forget whether you're living in a rural area, in an urban area, maybe a bush or a city. Sorry for using the word bush. Okay, make sure while stating down or putting down your address, you actually stated a postal, because they will give you like there will be an option where you put in what they call postal code, understand, postal address. So they cannot locate your house. They will drop the pin with any postal address, post office around, then you go and claim it. It's as simple as that. So that's the essence of the country. Now I'm going to use Nigeria now, since I'm from Nigeria, so it will be easier for me to claim my pin. Okay, I'll select Nigeria, then I'll scroll down to currency. Currency should be in dollar. So okay, this is time zone. I'll use Lagos, Nigeria, it's +1. Then the currency should be in dollar. Okay, all right. Note, while creating a Google Map account, you don't need a VPN at first to create the account. You understand? You don't need a VPN to create the account. But if you want to create an account and you want to lie about your country, you can use a VPN. You understand? Okay, I'm not a liar, though. I'm very sincere. I'm a sincere person, so I'm going to use Nigeria. Okay, then the terms and conditions you read through and scroll towards the ending, and you say I have read and agree to the terms and blah blah blah. You tick the box. Immediately you tick the box, this create admob account will become active. So now that it's active, you click. All right, in this section, now take note. Okay, you have successfully created your admob account. Now This place now, if you don't know what to do here, I would suggest you just say no, 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 all through. Okay, don't worry, you can say no all through. Most people will want to say yes and stuff like that. Then you continue to add more. All right, it's loading. Sorry.